Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we will break down and build back up the word problem. So here's the phonemic script. The first thing to notice is that the word is divided into two syllables. That little blue dot in the middle shows us the break. So problem. The second thing to notice is top left. That little blue mark shows us that the strongest syllable is problem. Problem. So you really want that first syllable to be stronger. So we've got a consonant cluster at the beginning, the pr. And if you find that a little difficult, just think about rolling back the tongue, the tip of the tongue, curl it back inside the mouth. Pr. If you find it tricky, don't worry. Check the comments below. I've got a number of other videos that should help you to sort out that pr combo. So then we've got ob within the first syllable. And building that back together, prob. Now you want to voice the b. Second syllable then, lum. And you'll notice that's a weak schwa sound. So we're not saying problem. That would be too big. And if we did that, then it would be hard to know where the stress lived in this word. In order for prob to carry the word stress, we need to weaken the second syllable. And that's why we've got lum instead of lem. So building it all back together, repeat after me, problem. There it is, problem. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Check out the main page if you haven't already. Thanks for watching and have a great day.